Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular grooming tools, the Norelco Philips Multigroom 9000 and the Wahl Pro Series Trimmer. Both of these products promise to deliver exceptional grooming experiences, but how do they stack up against each other? In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the right fit for your grooming needs. When it comes to pricing, the Norelco Philips Multigroom 9000 is priced at $99, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking for an all-in-one grooming kit. On the other hand, the Wahl Pro Series Trimmer comes in at $149, which may be a consideration for buyers looking for premium features. While both products offer great value, the price difference could influence your decision depending on your budget. The Norelco Philips Multigroom 9000 boasts a comprehensive 23-piece grooming kit, making it versatile for various grooming needs including beard, body, face, and intimate areas. In contrast, the Wahl Pro Series Trimmer features a near-zero gap blade designed for precision cutting, making it ideal for detailed grooming. While both products have unique features, the choice may depend on whether you prioritize versatility or precision. In terms of usability, the Norelco Philips Multigroom 9000 is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it suitable for all grooming levels. The Wahl Pro Series Trimmer, however, features a professional design that may appeal more to experienced users seeking precision and control. Depending on your grooming experience, one may be more suitable than the other. In conclusion, both the Norelco Philips Multigroom 9000 and the Wahl Pro Series Trimmer offer unique benefits that cater to different grooming needs. The Philips model is a fantastic choice for those looking for a versatile and affordable grooming solution, while the Wahl Trimmer is ideal for those who prioritize precision and professional quality. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.